Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. A very quick tutorial for you today, and it's using the color key node inside of Blender Octane. It comes in incredibly handy, especially if you have a client like mine that says, I'm not really too sure about this color, and you're like, oh, how do I change this? Now this is using an RGB image. I've downloaded this from Sketchfab. I wish I was this talented. But rather than going into Photoshop and selecting all the colour and then swapping it around, you can use the colour key node inside of Octane. So I'm going to press Shift and A and we'll search for colour. You see here, colour key, and I'm just going to drop this in between the RGB image and the albedo. So you can see here the texture goes into the input and the texture out goes back into whatever you want to put it into. And you can use the colour key, and it pretty much works like After Effects or any other kind of key colouring method that you use. So I'm going to select the colour here, and you can use the dropper tool, and I'm just going to select one of the really dark values right here. And then we can fill the colour, so select the fill colour, and let's move it up, and let's change these to red dunks. Something like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that is pretty much the colour key. Now there is a few other options. You can have a cut off, and you can play around with the Computation Gamma, stuff like this. But the basics of it is, that's it. Anyway, you know what to do. Take care.